let us begin. We're going to begin with the happy couple-to-be coming forth and standing in this circle in front of me.
No.
Hold on to that one yet. Hold on, Lotus.
Let that down. Let that down.
There we go.
Let that down. All right.
All right.
Okay.
Family, come on into the circle.
All right, everybody.
Friends, come into the back circle. All right.
Stay here, Otis. Stay over here. Inside.
All right. Come on inside the circle if you can. Everybody else stay inside the circle.
Stay inside the circle now.
Good. And we shall begin with
This is like our small little unit. Small little unit.
all right. We want to thank everybody who is gathered here in nature, in the sight of God, in the sight of the Great Spirit, in the sight of the ancestors. And we're excited to bring together Andrew, Karen, and the family in this bonding moment. Lady Kanitha is going to smudge everyone with sage. Sage is an antioxidant, but it is also a cleansing herb that brings us into spiritual alignment with nature. We respect the air that we're breathing. We respect the journey that brought us here. We trekked up the mountain and have arrived at the waterfall. We are standing in the presence of the fire, the water, the air, and the earth. And so we proclaim in this space that today in this moment, this rock upon we stand will be a metaphor for the rock upon which this family will stand and build success for generations upon generations. 7 generations behind, 7 generations going forward. We give thanks to the water that we are here in front of. It is the cooling water, and we pour out some. The Yoruba people would say, Ashe. Ashe means, and so it is. It means spirit. So we pour the water back into the water to recognize these 2 families coming together. It's not just 2 folks getting married today. It's 2 families. It's 2 communities. It's 2 groups of people becoming one. And so, in your minds right now, I want you to close your eyes. Think of some of the family members and friends who have transitioned from the space of life to the space of life after life. And as their names and faces pop into your minds, we pour the water out to them.
Pause for one moment. Hey, guys, can you say you're sorry for Steve? What are you saying? That's right.
That's
Good
okay.
job.
Good.
Carry on.
So as we send that energy into the atmosphere for healing for everybody, we recognize that we are standing in 2 circles. They are circles of infinity. Never beginning, never ending. So Andrew, Karen, and the family, you are now in a space of togetherness, and this is a bond that cannot be broken. Andrew, do you commit to Karen to be a part of the family, to be the cornerstone and the bedrock foundation from this moment evermore?
Yes! Yes.
Karen, do you commit in this moment to be a part of this family, to make it a bedrock foundation, to accept Andrew into this space, and make sure that your circle is so tight that no one can come between you all?
I do!
Kids, are y'all ready to scream yeah at the top of your lungs?
Yes.
All right. Are you ready to put this family together? Community members gathered. Are you ready to do what you need to do to keep this family together?
Yeah!
Then I am going to ask that you pick up the back end of the rope. Everybody in the family, pick up the rope there.
Okay.
Bring it toward me and loop it around the family.
Like this? Okay, okay.
Here we go.
Okay.
We're going to do something like this later.
Magic trick.
And I, as officiant, am going to pull you together tightly.
Oh my goodness.
And you all hold hands.
Oh my goodness. Hey, Celia, get back in there. Get back in there. Get back in there, girl.
May this rope bind together this family. And as you recognize your community, people who love you, put this rope around you. So it is a commitment from each and every one of us to do whatever we need to strengthen the ties that bind. And so we speak and pronounce in this moment, the family's now together. The vows that come later are for everyone else.
That's right.
But in our hearts, we are now officially married in the sight of God and the Great Spirit. We have a sign and symbol of commitment that we will bring forth now. All right. And they are bracelets.
Stay here, buddy. There you go.
We have consecrated and blessed.
All right.
Mom and Dad,
Otis
place
call.
them on.
Okay. And Ketchum. How's that? Does that feel good?
Yeah.
Mr. Carr. And Ketchum. Celiuna. The most beautiful thing that is Karen. Let's put it with middle. And Trish.
We're almost there, Odie.
We're almost there, buddy.
Almost there.
You're doing great.
You're doing great.
You're doing a great job.
I love it.
Come on.
I love it.
We got everybody in it. Got
Everybody's
everybody
in.
together. All right. Are there any words that you'd like to say to this wonderful woman at this time?
So, when we decided to get together, we're like, okay, we're going to do this. You said we're going to build a beautiful life together. And we've proceeded to do that. It has had a lot of bumps in the road, as Otis is illustrating. It's had a lot of bumps in the road. But as we've talked about many times, those bumps just made us stronger and stronger and stronger. And I'm so excited for all the bumps in the road that are coming. And experiencing all those with you. And coming out just better and better and better. And seeing these kids grow up. So thank you for bringing me my children. It took a long time. And thank you for letting me raise these kids and have a say. It means everything. And I promise I'm going to keep doing that, taking care of you every day. I don't care what happens. I love you. You are so freaking pretty. I'm like looking into your eyes, it's like, okay. Hey, Odie, Files, come back. We're almost done.
I will meet all the bumps. I'll meet all the successes. I'll treat them with the same love and commitment every time. The failures and the successes. I'll meet them with fidelity, with courage. I'll cheer you on. That's it. That's my vow.
In the presence of our community, presence of the Great Spirit, presence of the elements, we proclaim a blessing upon this union and this family here evermore. Grandma, you have a blessing to add to this because you are a cornerstone of this family too.
Thank you, Donna. Thank you, Oscar.
And to each other, and I am so happy this is going on right now. And Andy, I am very glad that they know you and I'm part of the family. And I wouldn't ask for anybody else anymore, So this whole family is blessed for sure. All right, that's it.
So it is. And so With the relief of the butterflies,
Where are the butterflies?
butterflies are closed.
Oh, there they are. Okay. Now we pray they are alive.
Yes.
If they are dead, we will ignore the fact that they are dead.
And they have transitioned into
That's
the
right.
atmosphere, and we celebrate them. We celebrate their gift.
Let's do it. Let's do it.
All right.
Let's do it.
Are we ready to release the
let's see what
butterflies?
Yeah!
You gently tap the bottom.
They're waking up.
Oh, we got together.
Wow, look at that.
Waking up.
Oh, there's one on you. Oh, there he goes. Wow. Wow. There's so many of them. Look at that. Look at it go. Look at it go. Oh, there they go. Oh,
Perfect place.
I thought they were just a whole
So we proclaim this union
well, sometimes they'll do that, you know.
done with 4 words, and so it is. Let us say together, and so it is.
And so it is.
It is done.
All right. All right, let's swim.
Let's swim, let's relax, let's get it ready.
Oh my.